The world is getting smaller. We are more connected with the world around us unlike ever before. I am having a video conversation with a business associate who's sitting oceans away. My smartphone's updating me on current developments as they happen. And even my Mercedes is connected to me as well. Not just through my smartphone, but Alexa's managing things for me as well. Yes, Mercedes-Benz has taken connected technology up a notch by adding virtual assistant compatibility in addition to being able to connect to your car through your phone using the Mercedes Me app or by using MBUX in your car. The beauty of Mercedes' virtual assistant is that you can now hook up to both Amazon or Google Assistant to help out with your car. Pairing your Mercedes Me app with Alexa is fairly simple. You simply access the service through your Alexa app on your smartphone, and it will provide you with the instructions to link the app through your Mercedes Me app to your car. It takes just a few minutes, provided you've got good internet connection and you're ready to go. You can literally be sitting comfortably on your couch at home while Alexa operates various functions in your car. For instance, you can ask Alexa to check if your Mercedes is locked, or to check the fuel status, or to even start the car before you head out. Now that you're hooked up, you can ask Alexa to perform a host of functions for you. For instance, Alexa, ask Mercedes, where is my car?
I found your car next to 505, Sunzania.
Alexa, ask Mercedes, what is the fuel in my car?
Fuel tank of your E220D is at 100%.
Alexa, ask Mercedes, what is the range of my car?
The fuel range of your E220D is 515 miles or 830 kilometers.
830 kilometers, the E-Class, that's phenomenal range. But even better, well, having to get Alexa to give you all that information. That is how you stay connected with your car sitting at home. But you can also stay connected with your car using your smartphone through the Mercedes Me app. Hooking up your Mercedes Me app is a fairly simple process. Your sales consultant will bridge your car's VIN number with your Mercedes Me account. After that, the app will take you through the process of finalizing that installation. It takes no more than 5 minutes to bridge that gap. Once you're connected, the Mercedes Me app allows you to control over 40 different functions in your car, and constant over-the-air updates bring new features into the fold. For instance, Mercedes-Benz recently introduced a Find Parking feature in the Mercedes Me app. This enables your app to find a parking spot in the city that you are in. Makes it so much easier to find a parking space. All you have to do to find a parking spot is to select the zone that you're headed into, and the app will automatically identify a vacant parking spot for you. It will also tell you how many vacant parking spots exist and what the cost is, who the operator is, and what are the operating times for that parking spot. All you have to do then, once selected, is send that parking spot location to your car and let the navigation system guide you there. Now that you have sent your parking space location to your car, your navigation system will throw it up on the display and guide you there. The Mercedes Me app also carries forward all the first generation features. So, you can lock your car remotely, check the status of your vehicle, book appointments to service your vehicle, even secure your car by applying a geofence that will notify you if someone drives your car out of a specific area. Now, this is particularly useful if you hand over your car to a valet or for a service and don't want your car taken for a joyride. The app is also cleverly designed to integrate all your Mercedes-Benz cars. However, it can only control one car at a time. You only have to select the car you would use as your primary vehicle before controlling the functions for that car through your app. And these are just some of the recent highlights that Mercedes Me Connect has added to bring value to the whole connected technology experience in your E-Class. Keep in mind, inside your car, you can also connect to a host of features that use connected technology. You can activate a contact center service that will provide you with a host of services simply by pressing the Me Call button. Or you can activate an SOS function in case of any emergency. In addition, you also get weather updates, online navigation assistance, and a host of other features as part of the connected tech suite of features in your E-Class. Mercedes-Benz is definitely making the world come closer to you.